Hello friend, welcome our channel FFers. This video I'm going to show you how to solve meta network warning in Outlook on Windows 11. So let's start. You can solve this problem for go to Edit menu, then Setting, then Network and Internet. I am connected my laptop in Wi-Fi, so I go Wi-Fi setting, then connected my Wi-Fi name connected, then click here. Scroll my mouse. I can show meta connection. This is on. You can off it. Then close. Then no warning here. You can close. You can open. Now solve the problem meta network connection. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.